The AI Game Plan, your roadmap to business success in 2025. Hi there, I'm Amanda Bennett from AIBusinessStrategist.org. Have you ever felt like technology is moving way too fast? It's hard to keep up. One minute, everyone's talking about social media marketing, and the next, it's all about AI, artificial intelligence. But here's the thing, AI isn't just some future tech for big companies. It's here, right now, and it's changing how businesses grow and succeed. So today, I'm going to share the AI Game Plan, your step-by-step roadmap to using AI in 2025 to save time, find more customers, and grow your business. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech expert to follow this plan. Let's jump in. Step 1. Identify your business goals. Before you start using AI, ask yourself, what's the biggest challenge in my business right now? What tasks take up too much of my time? And where am I losing customers or sales? AI is most helpful when it solves real problems. If you struggle to find customers, AI can help with marketing and lead generation. If you spend too much time on emails, AI can automate customer messages. If you don't know what's working in your business, AI can analyze data and suggest improvements. Knowing what you need AI to do is just the first step in making it work for you. Step 2. Choose the right AI tools. Now that you know your goals, it's time to pick the right AI tools. You don't need to use everything at once. Just start with one tool that helps your biggest challenge. Here are some of the best AI tools for small businesses. Let's look at AI for marketing and finding customers. Facebook lookalike audiences finds new customers similar to your best buyers. And then ChatGPT for content writes blog posts, emails, social media captions, all in seconds. Now let's look at AI for customer service. Tidio is an AI chatbot, answers customer questions automatically, even when you're not online. And then you've got Klaviyo or MailChimp, and their AI email marketing. They send personalized emails that increases your sales. And next we have AI for business operations. Zoho Inventory predicts when to restock best-selling products, and QuickBooks AI tracks expenses and forecasts cash flow. Here's a pro tip. Start with just one AI tool. Test it for a month and see how much time or money it saves before adding any more. Step 3. Automate repetitive tasks. One of the biggest things about AI, it can do the boring stuff, the time-consuming tasks. They can do it all for you. Imagine if you didn't have to manually send emails to every new customer, spend hours responding to some customer questions, and guess when to run ads or what content will have the most engagement. With AI, you can automate email responses so customers always gets an answer. You can let AI schedule social media posts at the best times, and you can use AI to track trends and make smarter business decisions. This means less busy work for you and more time to focus on growing your business. Step 4. Use AI insights to make smarter decisions. AI isn't just about automating work. It's about giving you better insights so you can make smarter choices. For example, AI can tell you which products are selling best and which ones aren't. AI can analyze customer behaviors so you know why people leave your website without buying. And AI can predict future trends, helping you stay ahead of your competitors. Instead of guessing what works, AI gives you real data so you can make decisions that actually grow your business. Step 5. Keep learning and adjusting. AI is always improving, and your business should too. Here's how to stay ahead in 2025. Test new AI tools as they come out. Check your AI results every month. If something isn't working, adjust it. Keep an eye out on trends. What's working today may change next year or even next month. AI isn't set and forget tool. It's a partner that helps you grow. And my final thoughts, your AI game plan for 2025. First, let's recap your AI roadmap. Step 1, identify your biggest business challenge. Step 2, choose one AI tool that helps solve the problem. Step 3, automate those repetitive tasks to save time. And step 4, use AI insights to make smarter decisions. Then lastly, step 5, keep learning, testing, and adjusting as AI evolves. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use AI. AI is here to help you work smarter, not harder. So what's one of your businesses part of your businesses that AI can help with? Leave me a comment down below, and if you need help with your AI strategy, get in touch. See you in the next video.